Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Pets the Spicy. Today I am doing a science experiment which shows the presence of a fat in a cooking oil. So let's get started. Today I am doing a science experiment to test presence of a fat in a food sample. Things for these things required a pepper, some cooking oil, one dropper. Now we take pepper and fall into a house. Now we take some cooking oil with the help of dropper. Now we put 2-3 drops of cooking oil in between of the pepper. Now spread it. Now let it dry and wet for some times. After some time we can see a translucent spot appears on a pepper. This shows presence of a fat in a cooking oil. Thank you.